In this video, we learn how to undark mood on Instagram. Open the Instagram app. Go to your profile. Click on three lines at upper right corner. Click on Setting and Privacy. Scroll down. Click on Accessibility. Click on Dark Mood. There are three moods. The first one is On. From here you are able to on dark mode. And the second one is Of. From here you are able to of dark mode. And the last one is System Default. It will apply the mood you have applied on your Android, as I have enabled dark mood here. Instagram mood is also dark. As soon as I turn off the dark mood, you can see the Instagram mood is also converted to light. And as soon as I turn on the dark mood again, you can see that the Instagram mood will go dark again. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos like this.